On the Oracle Linux Learning Library homepage, we also have separate learning path links for each of the product areas. These are different pages to the library pages for each product. We have built many learning paths to provide a guided learning experience to direct you through all the free videos, tutorials, and hands-on labs that we have developed to support the Oracle Linux OS and virtualization products. These paths also incorporate quizzes, so you can test your knowledge and assess your skills learned. Scrolling down to the Guided Learning Path section, there are links to learning path pages which contain all the same free content as the library page, but formatted for a guided learning experience, and also has quizzes to supplement the learning with testing. Hovering over a link, we see easy-to-remember redirect links that have also been created for these learning path pages. The address slug has been carefully chosen so that it uses the same slug as the library page, but with the word path added to the end. Let's look at the learning path page for the Working with Oracle Linux 8. So, as an example, to get to this learning path page, you just use the link www.oracle.com/go/to/Oracle Linux Learning Path. Again, simple links, easy to pass on to others and embed anywhere to give quick access to all this free content. The page layout provides a simple format to follow. At the top is the total duration, so you can see by the time how much video and other materials are in this learning path. There is an Enroll button also at the top. You need to enroll to the learning path to keep a record of your progress, and also if you want to take quizzes in the path. You need to provide an email to enroll, so there is a record of all the students enrolled in each path. Scrolling down, we can see all the same links to the same videos, tutorials, and labs are listed and presented in the same sections as the library page. However, for each of the sections, a quiz has also been created. An email confirming successful completion of the learning path is provided after completing all the quizzes. So let's look at one of the videos. I'll click on the Installing Oracle Linux video. It opens up the video and you can click to watch it directly, or you can link directly to YouTube also. Going back to the learning path page, same as the library page, clicking on a tutorial and lab link takes us to the tutorial page, and we can also launch the lab directly from here as well. To take a quiz, you need to have enrolled in the learning path as mentioned previously. I have already enrolled, but I am seeing this reminder because I have not logged in, so the system is not seeing my profile info yet. Here I just click on enroll again, but because I've already enrolled, the system remembers this. Now logged in, there is a progress graphic at the top showing how much of the video content I viewed. Back to the quiz link, and now when I click on it, it launches the quiz. There's a start button to begin the quiz and also history information of any previous attempts of the quiz and the results. Again, these learning path pages have all the same content as the library pages and provide all the same links to the hundreds of videos we've posted to YouTube. Okay, so we can return to the home library page now. So we provide a couple of different OLL landing pages to the same free content, either a simple library of the content, or if somebody wants a guided experience, they can have that too. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.